Arwaru thibitari-inĩ wa Nakuru level 5 marakorwo marĩte raini nene na angĩ gũkoma itĩ-inĩ magĩetha ũtungata wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ona thengia wa gũkorwo kũrĩ na manathi a kandarathi maratangĩkĩra arwaru. Superintendent wa thibitari ũcio Ndagĩtarĩ Joseph Mburu augĩte manathi 270 arĩa mekuruhanĩtie na kĩama gĩa gũtetera arigitani a gĩkĩro kĩa manathi nĩo marĩ mũgomo-inĩ.
170 something went on strike. The rest are here, who are mainly the heads of department and assisting us in patient care. However, as a hospital, we always have a fallback position where we have about 191 nurses who are on contract, and these contracts are usually at the national level and also at the county level.
Mburu augĩte atĩ kũrĩa ũrigiti ũhotomete nĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa atumia arĩa aritũ ũndũ ũmwe na rwa arwaru a cancer.
The areas that are mainly affected is antenatal care, where mothers who are pregnant are supposed to be examined and plans made as they go towards delivery. That area I would say that it is a bit affected. The other area that I can say is a little bit affected is the general medical wards. These are patients who are chronically ill. Either they have diabetes, they have hypertension, which have gone out of control. We've been forced to manage these cases as outpatient cases. Otherwise, the patients who are critically ill and they need admission, we are able to handle them as a hospital.
Mburu nĩ ateterithĩtie atĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 70 harĩ igana kĩa motungata ma ũrigiti nĩ ũraheanwo thibitari-inĩ ũcio hatarĩ mĩhĩngo yothe.
As a hospital, yes, we've been forced to scale down in terms of the number of patients we are able to handle, but we would say that 70% of the services expected to come from us is being led out to the public.
Ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wonekanĩte ũrĩ mũgarũ na arwaru arĩa maretha motungata thibitari-inĩ ũcio gũkũ makĩrekereria mateta.
Mimba yangu ilikuwa inatoka na kutoka nikuja Friday si kutengenezwa. Jana ndio waliniweka maji. Leo juu nimesikia uchungu sana, nikaona hakuna uhudumizi iko hapa. Nikasema niende nyumbani, jibei inaendelea kukua kubwa. Hata bill inakuwa kubwa na mtu atengeneze, manasi hakuna. Wanafunzi ndio wako tu.
Sasa nimekaa hapa bila kukula chochote. Mtu akikuja ananipea kandizi hivyo. Nguo ni moja nafua usiku ninaanika.
Nilifika hapa hospitali kitu saa 3 na bado hatujasaidiwa. Niko na mgonjwa alikuwa head cesarean operation, bado sijaona usaidizi. Ya kustua sana, nimeona wagonjwa wanaruhusiwa waende private wing. Sasa ndio tunashindwa kweli, inasemekana manases wanafanya kazi na wafanyi.
Mugomo wa manathi kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru ũrarugũririo mũthenya wa ira nĩ mwandĩki mũkaru wa kĩama gĩa gũtetera manathi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Seth Panyako. Gũkũ agĩkinyĩrĩria atĩ matigwĩtĩkĩra kũheneka rĩngĩ.
Round hii there is no turning back. Kwa sababu sisi kama wauguzi tumekwisha kanyakiwa miaka mingi sana. We cannot have 4 agreements being thrashed by the government. We cannot allow that.
Thĩinĩ wa kaunti ingĩ ngũrani, mbica nota ĩno ireyumĩria ya arwaru magĩthĩnĩka nĩ kwaga ũtungata wa ũrigiti. Nũngari wa Mbui, Njata TV.